What is your will, my master?
Hey, what's up, Don? Quick demo video for you for your 89 Sabers OWK3. So I just got this done this afternoon. It is installed with a Proffie. You've got CC Sabers in here for your lit PCB, 2-button setup. So your front switch, that'll be your activation, and your back switch will be your auxiliary. This main gold plate here is glued down, and that's just the nature of this kit. So if by some chance in the future you're playing around this thing and it pops off, just a little bit of super glue on the underside, one side and the other, just one drop each, and then let this sit for a while. That's what's holding it on. Okay, but for right now, it's super sturdy. To get to everything, what you want to do is unscrew the pommel here. So we'll just take this off. This has a 28 millimeter Smuggler's Outpost Elite speaker in it, and it's in its own speaker pod. So, and that stays in the pommel, right? So you keep that in there, take it off, and then you look over here and you've got access to your micro USB, your SD card. This is your charging port, and then your kill switch over here. And then this is your 2 pogo pins for your speaker. This is like a 1.3 millimeter recharge port. So this is a normal charger that you get off Custom Saber Shop, and then they sell this adapter. And this adapter, obviously, it just plugs right in to here. And that's how you charge this saber. It's very easy to do. Although this battery is fully charged, you're going to need one of these eventually. So just know that. Custom Saber Shop. Okay, that's what I recommend. But anyway, you can do everything that you need to do from right here. The board has the stock font package on it. It's got smooth swing, got all the colors, and we'll go through that. I did not provide a copy of the SD card because it is just the stock font package, but if you need one, I can provide that for you. Yeah, so what we want to do is just come over here and flip the kill switch up. You won't hear anything, obviously, but if I hit the power, you'll see that light up, right? We'll turn it back off. Flip that up to turn it on. We'll put our speaker pod back in. Just screw it back onto your saber, if I can get it. There we go. Screw it on, lock it all down tight. Now when we turn it on, you got a nice smooth swing, auxiliary, and twist off. So you got swing on also, and twist off. You can do it like that. The blade socket for this guy is super tight. So if you have a brand new 1-inch diameter NeoPixel blade, you're going to have to sand it down quite a bit. This is my smaller of my 1-inch test blades that's been sanded, so it fits in here nice. But even still, this guy's pretty snug, right? Your blade retention screws right here, so that's what you'll want to use. You can change color. You do that by holding down aux and hitting power. You'll hear an audible cue, and then you can just twist the saber through the different colors. So if you want a green, find a nice green, hit power. When we turn this back on, it's green. All right. To get blade lock up, you just hold down aux and hit the saber. Now you got blade lock up. This thing is super loud. The 28 millimeter speaker is fully enclosed and it's coming straight out. So like you had the static pommel on here when you sent this, it's in your box and it will go out with the saber. But of course you'll want to leave this vented pommel on to get all of your sound. To change sound fonts, we'll just hit aux. Do another one.
Smooth gray.
Fireblade. Another one.
Smooth fuzz.
take the blade out and we will go and test the speaker pod. A little bit of a tradition on this channel. Every time I think about it, sometimes I forget. But if I install a speaker pod, I will beat the crap out of this saber to show you that it stays connected. Right? Just like that. So everything's working like it should. When you're all done, just come over here and unscrew the pommel. And I'll turn this on, and then we'll hit that kill switch so you can see that everything's working like it should. You're not going to hear any sound, obviously, but when I come back here and flip this down, it kills the power, right? Yeah, so that's pretty much your OWK3. Let me know if you got any questions, and if not, this guy will go out in the mail to you tomorrow. All right, thanks.